Hey everybody, Jack Rabbit here. In today's video, we're going to be working on the triple lockpicking challenge put on by SwissLock Whisperer. This challenge requires you to pick 3 blue belt locks or above of 3 different varieties: disc detainer, pin tumbler, and dimple, all in one continuous take. So the frame is going to be a little weird here. I have to keep the camera down because you're supposed to make sure all the locks stay in frame the entire time. So I'm going to use my vise as my guide there so they don't drop out of frame. And the other thing is I'm going to show a key working before I pick each lock. So let's start with the pin tumbler. This will be a Goal S blue belt, 5-pin lock. Now it's been a while since I picked this, so hopefully this doesn't take forever. Click on 1, we'll click on 2, nothing really on 3. We'll click on 4, nothing on 5, let's go back to the beginning. 1 feels like it's binding. Okay, good click, little core movement. Corner rotation on 1. I think I felt a click there. Might need a different pick actually. I wonder if I overset. I'll grab a different pick. Deeper hook. There we go. That feels better. I feel like I'm, losing my tensioner there. Hopefully I didn't lose too much progress. And we got an open. All right, so let me, I don't know if I showed the key, so let me show the key works. No key doesn't work. So, all right, so that is the goal opened. Let's transition to, let's do the one I'm worried about here because I'm not very good at disc detainers. This is a Pisla blue belt disc detainer. I'll show the key works if I can. There we go. So key works. Close it up. Key out. All right. So this is a lock that tensions off the rear disc. I'm not very good at this, so hopefully this doesn't take me ages. And I have not recorded this on video, so this is going to require me to hold the pick slightly different than I'm used to from practice. But hey, enough excuses. Let's just get this open. All right, gotta find that rear disc to tension off of. Nice if I could do that a little bit more easily. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. We have tension. And we lost tension. The joys of learning a new type of picking. Okay. We have tension on that last disc. Let me find the first disc to manipulate here. Put it in place on that disc. All right, I think I missed something. Yeah, I definitely missed something. Let me try to work my way back into the lock here. All right, we're at the first disc. There we go. Let's move on to the next one. It's missing something back there. Oh, I think that disc was turned it too far. I would definitely talk more, but I don't know what I'm doing very much with just detainers yet, so. There we go. And we got it open. Took a little longer than I anticipated, but I don't think there's any time limits on this challenge, so we'll close this up so I can get my pick out. And so that is lock number 2, and then for lock number 3, we're going to do a Blue Belt Kenaurd pin and pin. So we'll get this mounted up, and we'll try to keep this video from becoming a 30-minute video here. All right, tension on. Let me grab different. Let's do this one. So this is a 5-pin pin and pin lock. Got some good clicks there. Okay, we're in a deep false set. So I think we're just looking for an inner pin. There we go, we got an open. So that is the triple lockpicking challenge. Thank you, SwissLock Whisperer. It was a lot of fun. You forced me to learn disdetainer. At least I can't say I've learned a lot of disdetainer, but I learned how to open this Pisla. So that was my first foray into disdetainer, and it was a lot of fun. So I'm going to keep at it with disdetainers. I will leave a link to SwissLock Whisperer's challenge. Please go check him out. Thanks again, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys at the next one.